Okay. This side, it's equal to this side. Okay? Because they are, the squares are equal. Okay? Now, we can see that, okay, this part equals this part, and this part equals this part. Okay? Do you agree?
Sí.
Okay. So, okay, well, by side angle side, we know that those two triangles are equal, are congruent. Those are congruent triangles. Son
Yes.
los congruentes. Entonces yo puedo tomar este triángulo y ponerlo aquí y completa una unidad cuadrada. Yes?
Sí.
Okay. So,
Mostly how I solved it.
okay. Well, the last one. Yes.
Is it measured in inches the answer?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have ideas for solving this one?
No.
No? Okay. This little ball has 4 inches. Its diameter is 4 inches. So if we draw the trajectory of the center, it will be a circle here, a semicircle that is 2 inches less. The diameter is 4 inches less. Okay. The ball will be traveling this way. this way. So we want to know the measure, the distance that the travel, that the center of the ball travels. ¿Sí? La bola mide 4 pulgadas de diámetro, entonces vamos a, este círculo debe tener un radio 2 pulgadas menor, un diámetro 4 pulgadas menor. Okay? Do you understand this idea?
Sí.
Okay. So we only need to do the maths. Do you have ideas for solving this one?
Sí.
Okay.
Um, 238 pi.
Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. Do you make all the maths or do you make o tomaste algún atajo? Do you well, let me explain. This will be this is 100. So we have 96 p pi. Sorry, in Spanish we say p pi multiplied by 96 over 2. This is the diameter. This is the perimeter. Now we have 64. And here we have 76. So I use the options. I use these numbers and 6 plus 4 plus 6 and in 6. Si sumo un número que termina en 6, uno en 4 y uno en 6, termina en 6. Y al dividirlo entre 2 da 8. No necesitamos hacer la operación. Podemos ver la respuesta rápidamente. ¿Ok?
Okay.
Well, let's try the next. Okay, this is AMC8. The problems that I sent
Are we doing the
AMC.
10?
Yes. There are things that we already haven't seen. We still need to work. But I think that you can solve the first, maybe the first 10 without, I think that you already can solve the first 10. Some will be very easy for you. Some will be more, will need more, we will need to work a little more for some. Okay, let's try. Let's see how it goes. You can ask anything you want.
Do I do 1 or do I do 1 through 10?
We will start with problem number 1.
Okay.
If you end the 1, you work with 2. You can tell me every time that you finish one of the problems.
Um, I think it's 109 over 33.
Okay, that's right. You're right. Do you want to explain or we go to the next?
Um,
You made it very fast. Okay.
I'll go to the next
Okay.
one.
Yes. You say D, right?
Okay.
Your answer is D. Okay. Yes, that's right.
Um, did he do 7 laps?
Okay. Yes, it's 7. We only need to make a rule of three.
Okay.
Okay. 15 laps and 57 minutes and 27 minutes. How many? Okay. Yes. And the next. Okay. See, number three. Number three.
Is the difference 5?
The difference 5. Okay, let me see. Let me find my notes. Yes, yes. It's only algebra. Okay. How do you solve it? How do you...
Um,
Mm,
so, I turned, so I turned it into an equation. Um, 6n plus n plus 40 plus n, which simplifies 8n plus 40 equals 96. If you subtract 40 from both sides, it becomes um 58n equals 56, which means n is 7. And then we can calculate the values of 1 and 2,
Okay.
which are 42 and 47.
Okay. Yes, that's right. Now, problem number 4. I don't know how to solve this. Now, Hmm. Do you have ideas for this? Some countries. Others. Okay. Mm. Gallon over miles. 1 kilometer it's 10 miles. 1 gallon equals oh meters. This okay, gallon miles. Okay, and we have x miles. Um, okay, efficiency, efficiency, efficiency. It's letters over 100 kilometers is miles per gallon. Okay, we want miles per gallon. That's what we want. Okay, okay. Can we skip this one and we work with problem number 5? I need to
Okay.
think a little what it's what what is asking. Okay, let's work with problem number 5. Do you have ideas for solving this one?
No.
Okay. You already make a drawing? You already make the figure?
Okay.
Okay. So we will have, okay. We have a square. Okay. And its side length, it's 1. Okay. We have A, B, C, D. Now we are going to draw the hexagon A, P, Q, D, no, R, S, okay, P, Q, R, yes. And it says that it's an equilateral hexagon. So, okay. So we are going to draw this figure. This is, no, this is our hexagon. Okay.
Okay.
Well, now it says that it's an equilateral convex hexagon. So all the sides must be equal. Maybe maybe my drawing it's not very accurate, but we can understand this. Okay. And with side length S, this is S, this is S, this is S, this is S, S, S. Okay. Now we want to know how do we, what is the expression for the side of PB of this segment?
AB minus AP
Okay, AB minus I,
or AB minus S.
okay, or 1 minus S, because the square has side length 1. Okay,
Okay.
you agree? Okay. It's important, if we are making equations, we need to use the less letters that we use, it's better. We will have an easier equation. Okay. Entre menos letras tengamos en nuestras ecuaciones, va a ser mejor porque tenemos ecuaciones más sencillas, ¿no? And this side, the length of B cubed.
It's 1 minus S.
Okay. And this is S. Okay. Do you have some idea for this?
Uh, um, since this is a right angle triangle,
Mhm.
we use the Pythagorean theorem.
Okay. Theorem. Okay. Oh, you tell me. You tell me, and I write. You can tell me. You already have some equation?
No.
Okay. If we want to apply, we want to use Pythagoras theorem. So we will have the square of this side plus the square of this side must be equal to the square of this side. Okay?
Okay.
You already have something like this? You already write something like this?
No.
Okay. You need to write. When you write, you get new ideas. Necesitas escribir porque así es como salen nuevas ideas, Sebastián. Okay. Do you know how to make this?
Like expand it.
Uh-huh. You can.
Okay. I
Okay.
was trying to do that.
What do you get?
All right. I made a mistake.
Okay, you can. I think that you are writing your equation. You are expanding.
Okay.
Okay.
So 1 minus 2s plus s squared.
1 minus 2s plus x squared.
Okay.
Okay, yes, that's right. And we have this 2 times. This is s squared. Sorry. I we will have this 2 times equals to s squared. Okay, so we can expand this. We will have 2 plus 4s plus 2s squared. Okay. Okay. What's next? What is the next step?
Subtract at s squared.
Okay. We will have 2 plus 4s plus s squared equals 0. Okay. No. This is a minus sign. Minus. Okay. Now, do you remember how to solve this?
No.
Okay. X squared minus 4x plus 2. Okay. I can remember if we already make some of this equation. There is a formula. We can, okay. Let me take screenshot so we can work with okay. Give me a second. Okay. See, we want to solve this. X squared minus 2x. Okay. X squared minus 4s plus 2 equals 0. Okay. Now, we know that when we have a plus b squared, we will get a squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. In this case, we have s squared. In this place, we have minus 2s, 4s. Okay, I will write this 2s plus something b squared. Okay, we have here still have a missing number. Okay, so ab okay, a it's s. Okay, so b must be 2. Do you understand this idea?
Okay.
Okay, these 2 I will move here to this side. So we need here 4. So we need to write here also add also a 4. Yes. So this is s minus 2 squared. And this will be minus 2 plus 4. See? Okay. I am saying what elements we already have. We have a square, this one. We have this this element here. 2b must be equals to minus 2 minus minus 4. So if we have this, we have still a 2. Okay?
Okay.
We are completing a trinomial. So this is easy. This is easier because we have x minus 2 squared equals 2. We can get the square root. So we will have x minus 2 equals we can have the square root of 2. We can have the with the sign plus or the sign minus. Okay?
Yeah. So, um, so is s 2 plus the square root of 2?
Okay. Yes. S equals 2 plus or minus square root of 2. But if we use the sign plus, we will get a number that it's higher than, it's greater than 1. So we cannot use the sign. We can use the minus sign. We must use the minus sign. Okay? Well, every time that we have a quadratic equation, this can have two answers. Okay? But sometimes one it's not suitable for the problem. We must dismiss one of them. Okay? Well, let's see. What we are doing here in Spanish is completar el trinomio cuadrado perfecto. Let me see what is the number in English. Okay. Okay. It's perfect square trinomial. Okay. Let's see. I find this. Okay. Well, so the answer will be C. Okay.
Okay.
Well, the key in this case, it's to take those two numbers and we will complete the perfect square trinomial. Every time that we do that, we will get the same exact pattern, the same exact formula. Okay. For example, if we have x, okay, let's try to complete the perfect square trinomial. X squared minus 6x plus, well, let me see, 4 equals 0. We are going to try to solve this one. Okay. Is this one. And we want that this looks like x squared plus 2xy plus y squared equals 0. Okay. We already have the x. So what must be the value of y if this equals to this?
Y is equal to 3.
Minus 3, okay? Because we have here a minus sign. Yes? Okay. So we want to complete x minus 3 squared. We have this part, but we already need this part. Okay? So what we will do? We will isolate this number because we don't need him x squared minus 6 equals minus 4. Okay? So we need to add something here. y squared we are completing this. Y squared must be 9, okay? But if we add 9 here, we need to add this in order to maintain the equal sign, okay? ¿Sí? ¿Se entiende más o menos la idea, Sebastián?
Sí.
Encontramos el valor de y necesitamos y cuadrada. Entonces tenemos que agregarlo de ambos lados para que la igualdad se mantenga. Entonces ahora tenemos esto, puede factorizarse de esta manera. This can be right this way. So this will be equals to 5. And this is very easy to solve because we have square root of x minus 3 squared equals the square root of 5. But we will have that minus square root of 5 squared equals 5. And also if we use the plus sign, we need to take both signs. ¿Ok? Necesitamos los dos signos porque menos por menos es más y más por más es menos. Los dos nos darían el 5. But this can be canceled with this. So x minus 3 equals the square root of 5. And we can use the plus sign or the minus sign. Okay, do you have the idea?
Sí.
Well, so we can solve for x, and we will have two values. The first one will be 3 plus 5. The second will be 3 minus, okay, the square root of 5 minus the square root of 5. Okay?
Okay.
Well, every time that we solve a problem in this way, we will get something like this. Okay, I think that I already cleared. Okay, I will erase. There is a formula, a general formula for solving quadratic equations. Every time that we can have, here we have a 1 here, a number coefficient 1, okay? But we can have a different one. Every time that we try to solve something like this, if we complete the perfect square trinomial, we will get something like this. X will be equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a menos b más menos la raíz cuadrada menos 4 sobre 2. Every time, okay? We will work with this the next session. We can see how we can transform this into this. What is a? It's the coefficient of the square term. A va a ser el término del término, va a ser el coeficiente del término cuadrático. B sería el coeficiente del término lineal. B, it's the coefficient of the term that has an x. And C, it's the number, the independent number. Okay. If we want to solve this, we only need to take these numbers, 1, 6, and 4, and put in this formula. Okay, so x will be minus 6 plus minus the square root of minus 6 squared minus 4 times a and c over 2a. If we do this, we will get x equals 6 plus minus 36 minus 16 over 2. Okay. And we will get 3 square root of 20. No. Over 2. If we simplify this, we will have 6 plus minus 2 the square root of 5 because 4 times 5 it's 20. The square root of 4 is 2. And we will get over 2. This will be 3 plus minus the square root of 5. Okay, well, what I am saying is that this formula can solve every quadratic equation, okay? But we will work with this formula the next time. ¿Sí? Esta fórmula nos permite obtener el valor de x en cualquier ecuación cuadrática. Vamos a trabajar más con ella, ¿sí? Con algunos términos cuadráticos la próxima semana. ¿Ok?
Okay.
Bueno, yo creo que por hoy terminamos. Ya son las 12:05. Que tengas una bonita semana, Sebastián. Nos vemos después.